Among those breaking that glass ceiling is a woman who ditched her law degree to become a welder. Brenda Haye joins us now with more. And Brenda, this is a really interesting story. You do have your law degree, but you decided to become a welder instead. Why did you make that change?
Well, first, my husband is in the military. He's a major in the Army. We moved around about every 2.5 to 3 years. So every time we moved, I would have to get a different job and reinvent myself. And the career I was in was stressful, a lot of deadlines, and I welded in high school and college. So I thought I'm going to give welding a try, and I know the money's good, so I just became a welder.
And tell me about going through the program, RSI, and what it was like.
RSI, I learned how to do all processes of welding, TIG welding, flux core, MIG, stick, all of it. So I learned all the process of welding. The school was very much into their students. They take a lot of time to talk to you and get to know you. They learned my education, and that's when they told me that welding is, I can weld, I'm a good welder, but I would be better off to be as a CWI, Certified Welding Inspector. So I took their advice, went to Tulsa Welding School, and I had a teacher there, an instructor, David Lamb, did the night school. Phenomenal amount of education, unbelievable. And that's where I got the metallurgy, non-destructive examinations, a lot of education there, and that's what brought me here. But the school was very supportive.
Yeah, that's so incredible. And of course, you went through RSI, Tulsa Welding, and tell me about what you're doing now and what you love about it.
I'm an inspector for a Section 1 high pressure boiler shop, and I do weld inspections, fit ups. I write data reports, which go to the national board and for the boilers, and then I release jobs for fabrication. The job makes you feel free. You have so many opportunities, and that's what I like about it. You can get your CWI, you can go and get an AI and work for the insurance companies. You can go up or down, right or left. It doesn't matter. You're in control of what you want to do, what choices you want to make, where you want to take this career. And I think that's what I like about it. And I've learned so much. I mean, I've only been doing this now for a little over a year. And I don't look for other people's to be impressed. But when I impress myself by how much I have learned, that's when I know I'm doing what I need to do.
What would you say are the benefits of working in the trades, and what advice would you have to other women about getting involved in trade?
Yeah, it's a male dominant industry, and I'm aware of that. But I don't think that's the challenge. I think the challenge for women is when people tell women, "Well, what if you fail?" It's not about what you fail; it's about how you succeed. And I think if people saw it that way and lose the intimidation of it being a man industry, because men, they like strong women. Every man I've run into in this field, I've had nothing but respect and more than happy to help me if I don't know something. So I think it's a waste of energy to be scared to go into this field, being a woman.
Well, your story is very inspiring, and congratulations for all your success. And thanks for sharing your story today.
Thank you. You have a good day.